I have a habit of leaving things in between, but not this time. A few weeks ago, I posted I'm building my personal Google Drive in less than 5 to 10,000, and that will not require a subscription, right? So basically, a hard disk or Raspberry Pi, and use free open source software to manage it. It is ready now, and I can upload and sync my photos and video using my phone, and it will directly sync into the hard drive, which I can access later. This is a Raspberry Pi, a second hand Raspberry Pi 4, which I got from friend, and then I have used a converter to convert my 12 volt power, 12 volt energy to 5 volt, which in turn will power a Raspberry Pi. Then I have connected a hard disk, not hard disk, SSD, uh, to like via USB cable. And again, you can use your old hard disk which is lying at your home. I'm using Open Media Bolt. It's a free software which will convert your this Pi setup to a NAS network attached storage, where like you can upload your photos, videos, and all. Uh, you need to just connect it to your Wi-Fi or LAN, and then it will give you a specific IP which you can connect to your phone, and you can directly upload from your phone or do automatic syncing and all. So it is an alternative to buying a Google Drive subscription, and it will save your cost also. Not just cost, you will have control over the data, and you can connect to directly take out the SSD and connect to your PC to do backup and all, right? And again, I can use it anywhere. So I just need to put a 12 volt charger to the wall outlet, and it has also a power backup, battery power backup. So even in case of there is no electricity and all in your house, it can power the Raspberry Pi, and then you can even upload it during that time. The only thing it need is Wi-Fi connection or LAN connection. And on the side, I'm also building a AI agent, where you can call and talk to the people. I'm not actively working on that because again I have a job, and I need to give time to that. But soon enough, I will be launching the agent. You can call and talk AI companion about business, life, personal, and everything.